Building a 90-day SEO plan can feel overwhelming, but using the right tool insights, you can create a clear, actionable strategy that delivers results. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a 90-day SEO plan step by step using the best insights from SEO tools. First, it's essential to start by assessing where your website currently stands. Use an SEO tool to analyze your site's overall health, looking at key metrics like domain authority, organic traffic, and keyword rankings. This gives you a solid baseline and helps prioritize the areas that need the most attention. Next, dive into keyword research. Find the keywords that are relevant to your business and identify which ones you should target in the next 90 days. Focus on a mix of short tail and long tail keywords. A good SEO tool will give you keyword suggestions based on search volume, competition, and relevance. Look for keywords with high search volume but manageable competition. This will allow you to make an impact quickly. Once you have your target keywords, it's time to map them out across your site. Assign keywords to specific pages or blog posts, ensuring you're not overstuffing any one page. An effective SEO tool will show you keyword gaps and provide suggestions on how to optimize your content for those terms. The next phase of your plan involves content creation. In the first month, focus on creating high-quality content that's optimized for your target keywords. Ensure each piece is comprehensive, relevant, and provides value. Use your SEO tool to track keyword performance and ensure your content aligns with search intent. Remember, Google loves content that answers real questions, so aim to be as helpful and specific as possible. Now, let's move on to link building. In months 2 and 3, you should focus on getting backlinks to boost your authority. Start by looking for opportunities to guest post or collaborate with other sites in your niche. An SEO tool can help you identify backlink opportunities by showing which sites are linking to your competitors. Quality backlinks are essential for ranking higher in search results. On the technical side of things, ensure your website's technical SEO is in top shape. Make sure your pages load quickly, your site is mobile friendly, and all broken links are fixed. A good SEO tool will provide a technical audit to help you pinpoint any issues that could be holding you back. Throughout these 90 days, track your progress using the insights from your SEO tool. Set clear KPIs for your organic traffic, keyword rankings, and conversions. A 90-day SEO plan requires ongoing adjustments, so be ready to refine your approach based on what the data shows. If you're wondering what tool to use for all of this, I've tested the most popular SEO tools, and I recommend the one I use for this 90-day strategy. You can get an exclusive free trial if you want to follow along and start building your own SEO plan. Check out the link in the description below for that exclusive offer, only available to viewers of my channel. Key takeaway. Building a 90-day SEO plan is all about making data-driven decisions. Start with a solid site audit, do thorough keyword research, optimize your content, and build backlinks, all while continuously monitoring your progress with your SEO tool. Remember, this is a long-term strategy, so consistency is key. To recap, start by assessing your site with a tool. Focus on keyword research. Map those keywords to your content. Create valuable content. Build backlinks, and stay on top of technical SEO. Track your progress, adjust when necessary, and remember to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description to get started today. That's it for today. Follow this plan and you'll be well on your way to SEO success. See you in the next video.